How to refund Western Union money transfer 2025 step by step. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's just directly get on to the topic of this video. So if you sent the money but it hasn't been picked up, you can go to the Western Union website, the official website, and use your credentials or transaction number to log into your account and go to track transfer or transfer history and check if the transfer is still available or ready for pickup. If not yet picked up, you are eligible for a refund. And you have to click cancel transfer or request refund, follow the on-screen instructions, and confirm your identity. You may need to verify with a government ID or transaction details. And after that, you have to wait for refund processing. And refunds typically take 7 to 10 business days for a credit or debit cards. For bank transfer, it may take a bit longer. And if you sent money in person like store or agent location, you have to return to the same agent location with a receipt, bring valid government issued ID and your receipt or MTCN number, request cancellation and refund, ask the agent if the transfer can be cancelled, must be unclaimed, and sign the refund form if applicable. And some agents will require a written or digital cancellation form, and after that you can receive refund depending on payment method. You will get cash or reversal to your card or bank. Then the money was picked up, claimed. Refund is not possible once the money has been received. And if fraud is suspected, immediately contact Western Union fraud hotline and file a fraud report on the westernunion.com/fraud. You may also file a police report. And that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.